Hello natural beauty lovers, welcome back to my cosmetic school. Today's video is completely different from every video I already uploaded here. In this video I was in an event playing with some kids and teaching them how to make Halloween soaps. The method used was obviously melt and pour because obviously I'm working with kids, and this is me and my nephew making the first batch of the Halloween soaps of the day. As you already know, the melt and pour method is very simple. You just have to cut the soap base into small cubes, melt it, add whatever fragrance colors you wish to, and then pour them in your favorite molds. We decided to use three colors: orange, purple, and black, even though we had way more colors and we're going to be using them later. But this is us dividing the soaps between the three mugs just to create the three different colors. We now have the three colors melted and another team partner. So this is Bianca, and she decided to join us just to finalize these soaps. At this stage, I'm letting them to work a little bit more on the product, so they add in the fragrances. They choose, each one of them choose a different fragrance, and now we're using the three colors just to mix them and create some funny Halloween soaps. This is always the funniest part, always. So we decided to play a little bit with the colors. So some soaps will have the three colors together, others will have just two colors, and another ones will be completely full, like all purple, all black, and all orange. Baby, no time for the drama. Nah, no, wanna be your baby mama. Sit down on the mic. Oh yeah. Me wanna sit down on the mic. Oh yeah. Say me wanna sit down on the mic. Oh yeah. Sit down on the mic. Sit down on the mic. Oh, it's a vibe. And as you can see, I had a huge queue of little friends waiting for the opportunity to also melt and pour their own soap. And these are the beautiful Halloween soaps created by Amir and Bianca, and now we're just waiting for them to settle down so we can remove them. Now this is us taking them out of the mold and they're ready to be used. I wanna buy you, we go love me scatter. We no go knock when he enter. Boy, we go love me like no water. Be the girl, we go love him past his sister. Wanna buy you, we go love me scatter. We no got it come, but you go enter. Give me brain, make I mental. Yeah. I know you got another sister for your house, so keep it on a low, no go loud and loud. I like it, guys, it's 99. And obviously at the end, my beautiful helpers get to pick the soaps they want to take home with them. And yeah, here's the result. And now the happy and funny faces for the next group that came and helped me to make some soaps. This is another team, so I had a really nice time teaching these kids how to make soap, playing with the colors, playing with fragrances. It was a great day. And then later I had a team of a little bit older ones, and they get to do everything by themselves. They didn't want to use the standard orange, purple, and black, so they got to pick pink, green, golden. I mean, they had a little bit more creativity. They played around with different molds, and I mean, everyone was happy.
microwave. Wait. Put it back in the microwave. And the mess was obviously inevitable. This is the way it looked while we were playing around with the colors. Look at this beautiful green golden color. I mean, it was a great session. And then we get to the last session. This session was with Erica, and as I did with the kids, I was teaching her how to make a simple multiple soap. She chose a pink color, a green color, because she wanted hope. So she chose green. We played a little bit around with the fragrances. She didn't know which one to choose. I think we ended up with banana. 90% sure now, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So we played around with the color. She chose the green, and she made these beautiful soaps as well. And keep it on a low, no go loud down. I like it, guys. 69 nights, cloud 9 on a replay. Gimme clap, make a DJ, Mr. DJ. Sit down on the right. Oh yeah. Me wanna sit down on the mic. Oh yes. And this is how we ended the day, with very funny and happy faces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.